Every year, we throw away 62 million tons of electronic waste. That's the weight of every child on Earth combined. They don't disappear. They end up in landfills, burned abroad, poisoning communities we never see. In 2023, Ireland generated 64,000 tons of e-waste. That's equal to 500 spires of Dublin. Stack those and they are more than half the way to space. And that's just 1 year. But not all of it is properly recycled. Much of it is shipped abroad, burned, or dumped. Toxic components like lead, mercury, and cadmium seep into air, soil, and water, often in countries far from where the devices were used. This isn't just waste, it's our responsibility exported. Behind every upgrade is a hidden cost: child miners, toxic rivers, and silent harm in distant lands. But we can change that. Repair it, sell it, donate it, recycle it. Your old device still matters in the right hands. Let's stop building digital graveyards. Give your tech a second life.